Before continuing the previous project, we will learn about coordinates. Create a new Scratch project, and add a backdrop called XY grid. See the cat sprite. In here, there are X and Y. And in the backdrop there are also X and Y. The lines and numbers on this backdrop are what are referred to as coordinates. X is the location of a sprite in the horizontal or left-right direction. Y is the location of a sprite in the top-down direction. You can see the X and Y values in this backdrop. So this backdrop can be used like a ruler to measure the location of X and Y. The X values range from -240 to 240, with a smaller value being left, and a negative value means it's at the left side of the stage. Y values range from -180 to 180, with a smaller value means being down, and a negative value means it's at the bottom of the stage. The cat sprite now has 0 X and Y values, so it's in the center of the screen. If you move the cat sprite to the right, the X value will get bigger. If you move the cat sprite to the left, the X value will get smaller, or even negative. If you move the cat sprite up, the value of Y will get bigger. If you move the cat sprite down, the Y value will get smaller, or even negative. So if you move the cat sprite to the bottom left, it will have negative X and Y values. Other sprites can have different X and Y coordinate values. For example, add one more cat sprite and swipe it to the top right. This second cat sprite will have positive X and Y values because it is located at the top right, different from the X and Y values of the first cat sprite. You can also change these X and Y values to be exact. For example, if we wanted to put these two cat sprites at the same Y value, we could type the same Y value in both, like this.